Yo, thanks for clicking in back on this video. So today it'll be a little bit more exciting. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of my spice to the RX7, okay? Because everything I see is just like screams the previous owner, you know. So today I'm actually gonna work on it a little bit, you know, take off some of the stickers, you know, and add the windshield wiper, because the one wiper is cool, but I kind of want to make it more a little cleaner. So I'm gonna add a little bit more touches. So let me show you what I got in a little store for this thing. All right, so some of the first things I noticed is I actually want to get this rear banner off. You know, I don't know if this previous owner was ever sponsored by them or anything. I actually hit them up actually and they weren't, so they don't know any history about this car. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take it off because I'm not a big fan of the red and white. Not at this moment, but a little red and white. But I want to add the windshield wiper back because I think I want the two wipers back on there. I think it will look a little bit cleaner. And then I'm probably gonna take out this little sticker and then add a little bit more of my few touches to it. So let me show you what I got for it. It's just like a little bit of stuff, you know, it's just the details. So, you know, I got my rear view mirror, you know. It's also, oh, there you can see me. Hey, that's crazy. But it has a little sticker on it from Cowboy Bebop. So any of my anime fans, you already know. That looks pretty cool. This is something a little bit bigger than the small one. You already know I got the Surrey cobbles, you know. Always gotta have Surrey cobbles on deck. And I have something in this little surprise for you guys. I also have the steering wheel. I actually have a Nardi steering wheel from my old car. So it looks pretty tight. It looks super, it's pretty mint condition. And I actually picked it up for super cheap. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Wow, look at the difference it made without the banner. It's crazy. Now it just looks like a white car. The red popped out so much that I just, dang. Wow. I mean, that's just, wow. That red popped so much on this car. But now let's go hard. Go hard. Let's go ahead and start on the rear. I'm sure this is quick, but this one I wanted to keep, but it's kind of peeling on some areas. So I was like, you know what? Let me just take it out. It's cool, but it's not mine. Let's put it on a new one, baby. And that's what she looks like without the rear sticker. A lot more simple, really clean. Like, it looks super empty right now. Like, this is crazy. I've been looking at this car for like 2 weeks and I just see the rear banner and the rear sticker, or every time when I drive it's just like, dang, this is weird. Like, it just looks so, just 2 small touches. For some reason it's just like a huge difference to me. Like, I don't know why. It's just, that's crazy. I don't know what to start with first, but I think I want to start with first, so I can get you more light real quick. I don't think I should be putting something like this on the floor, but I'm gonna do my Narding steering wheel first, because the first thing I do when I get in the car is I touch the steering wheel. So obviously I kind of want a better feeling steering wheel. This is the, I think, 330mm with perforated leather with a custom horn button. If you guys know Kiki's Delivery, you already know, baby. Okay, all right, let's get started. I also got new bolts first, so I won't be using those janky bolts that's in there. I'll be using some, I think I got these from Grip Royal, these bolts. Oh, look at that focus though. But anyways, let's get started, baby. I'm hyped. This might look good. So currently this is the steering wheel that's in it. I don't know if I've shown this in previous video, but this is like a original Nardi, but it's a different design. And it has the original Nardi horn, but I don't know if the horn works. Nope, it doesn't. But it looks good too, but it's kind of, yeah, you can see it's seen better days. So it's time to give this thing an upgrade, and I will be getting something in the near future, you know, hint hint, cough cough, sniff sniff. So let's go ahead and install that steering wheel real quick and see how much of a big difference this looks from this one. So this is the old steering wheel, and the light, like, look at that thing is tearing. It's still Nardi though, so it has some value. Kind of want to see how much it costs to fix it, or if it's even fixable. I'm definitely keeping the center, because this Nardi, when I got it, never came with a center. But dang, it looks so much different. Holy crap. Just from the steering wheel alone, oh my gosh, I'm hella smiling. I don't think you can see it, folks, but oh my goodness, it looks so good. Just should look bussin'. Dude, this thing, I just can't get over it. It's the horn button and just everything, everyone just, oh man, that just looks so good. All right, let's move on to the next one, or else I'm gonna be here all day just staring at this one, which I probably will be. All right, so the next thing is, geez, I cannot fit in the seat, is this rear mirror is kind of too small, so I kind of want to just like get a bigger one. So this is why I got this one. So let's see. It's kind of hard to show you how much you can see, but let's see how it looks with the new one. Or replacement, anyway. I don't know. Holy crap. Let me just clean this little smirk off. I don't know if you guys can see. And this one too. But dang. I don't know if you can see that, but holy crap, I can see way more. Like, I can see the whole world with this thing. Just the little additions, like that anime. Oof. And this anime, oof, fire. That looks clean. It's kind of hard to see with this LED light, but damn. Now, I want to install this one, but I'm not sure where. So I think I might be a little bit basic, and then just, I don't know. Hold on, let me think this through. Okay, hear me out. So this spot has no loss but only gains. Some may go against it, but I don't think it's that bad. Let me tell you why. Because I can't really put it on the other side because it's just, sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but it's just too close to this end. So I end up putting on the other side, but I won't be able to close it, so I end up wrapping it around the whole, like, little sun cover your eyes from the sun because you're blinding you thing, visor thing. And I still get to utilize this clip to hold it back. Oh, I missed. In place. Boom. Right there, baby. No loss here, baby. Only W's. Let's take a look at it from the outside. Oh, alright. Getting stuck. And everything. You know, not bad. It's kind of hard because there's no handles inside there. But you know, I didn't hang it up on the harness part because I have something else in plan store for that. So stay tuned for that. But look, that's low key, not bad. I dig it. It's kind of crooked, but I dig it. Alright, let's start with the windshield wiper now, because we can't even see it with this thing in the way. So let's get started on that, baby. This is so cool. I'm pretty sure they labeled it driver's side and passenger side. That's kind of cool. You can kind of see the P on that one. Pretty nice. This one says BL and that one says PL. Huh. Look at that. Yo, look at that difference. This is crazy. Like, these are like not even like the hugest difference. Like, it's like in like some big body kit or wide body, but it's just the small details. Like, look at the, like, just having not like one windshield wiper, like not in like the front windshield when you're going to be driving now. Like, it's just, it looks so just simple and clean now. I don't know. Like, you can see the pink heart now. Almost said purple. Must be colorblind. Dang. It looks so good. Just, damn. I'm probably going to get new wipers because these look kind of clatchy. No, they don't look that clapped. Sorry, I should have showed you guys that. They don't look super clapped. Sometimes they're like super brittle and clapped, but these are the Michelin ones too, so they're like the little super salty ones, so it looks nice. But I think the last thing I want to do for today is I want to add some stickers to it. Cause you know, I like anime, as you can tell, you know, from the mirror and the steering wheel. I gotta have my anime peekers on the side real quick. Cause here, let me show you one of the stickers. Okay, you already know, full-time weeb gang. We out here. The sauce is Horimiya. You know, my homegirl Yuki Yoshikawa coming at ya. Hey, who's man? Oh, you can't see from there. Damn, that's clean. All right, let me show you guys the other side. What? This one maybe not be PG-13, but she's saying hose mad. This was from the quintuplets. This is my favorite out of the 5, so you already know I had to put this on the 7. That was kind of funny, actually. I like this one a lot. Just 2 stickers for now. For now, I'm not gonna deck off this whole thing with peekers, but just, I think starting 2 should be fine. I like 2 peekers, that's it, on each per car. Or I only have 1 anyway, but yeah. So the surprise, since I'm losing daylight, I'll actually show the surprise on the next video. So I just want to say thank you for clicking in. I really appreciate it. If you stuck out to the end, give this video a thumbs up if you agreed with some of the little, little touches I added to this, because it really makes me feel like it makes me feel a little bit like my car now. It had a lot of the previous owner touches, but just a small little stuff slowly starting to make it feel like it's mine. So yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and cue the cinematics, and I'll see you guys in the next video.